Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to your Xbox Series X account. This is really easy to do on the home screen here. Let's go up to top and then go to settings, then go down to account, go right and go down to where it says payment and billing. Then we can go to payment options. Then under here, we can go to add new payment method. Then you can choose credit or debit card or e-wallet, which you'll have PayPal or Venmo as an option. Then you can select this. And then you can enter in your cardholder name, your card number, the expiration month and year, and then the CVV code on the back of your credit card. And then go to next. And then your credit card should be added to your account right here. And you can select it and you can update it or delete it in the future. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.